We are back into active weather after that nice quiet end of the weekend. Overnight into early this morning, showers, thunder showers rumbled through, and there's still occasional lighter showers that are falling. You can see some rain coming down. We are a live camera out at Keeneland, so yeah, not an ideal morning to be out at the track. We've had development of some of those showers pushing in from the southwest on the Max track, and there's the map in motion, the wave that went through earlier, and now it's continuing to work its way east, and then you've got some additional showers and thunder showers south. So you're going to have to watch out for those as we go through the morning and into the afternoon. There is a lower end threat that we could see a few strong storms out there to severe storms, but the main severe threat comes in tomorrow. So you can see the marginal risk that's out for your Tuesday. As some of those storms fire up into the afternoon, we'll have to watch out. A couple of them could produce some stronger wind gusts, and there's the main threat out to the west. A couple of bubbles of an enhanced risk for severe storms out west. Now tomorrow, that bubble expands and runs pretty much from Indiana all the way down to Louisiana, and then you've got that enhanced to slight to marginal risk, how it steps down, an indication of a weakening squall line rolling in. But this is a fairly significant threat for western Kentucky, damaging wind gusts, isolated tornadoes, large hail. And as our warm front lifts north today, we'll have plenty of moisture to work with, but the lower coverage out there, a few showers and storms around. But the main wave gets rolling overnight into tomorrow. Here you can see those showers, thunder showers rolling in across western Kentucky. And we'll keep our eye to the west Wednesday into the afternoon. We're seeing the potential for a couple of lines of showers and storms trying to form and get rolling. And some of these right here could be on the severe side with those damaging wind gusts, and then that line of storms racing east. If you look at the clock there, this is getting into 11 o'clock tomorrow night and then early Thursday morning. So we won't shake this until probably Thursday morning. And then we do dry out and we do cool off. Now, rainfall amounts, I was going to show that to you. It would show you about a quarter to half an inch coming in on top of the half an inch to up to around an inch of rain that we've had already. And if you break these down, these amounts, since the beginning of April, March, and January, we're running surpluses in each time range. So we're doing okay. Some of our southern counties have been running a little drier than we have here in the bluegrass. One positive aspect of the rain, though, it's tamped that pollen down. So the pollen count for today at moderate levels, and then it jumps back to a higher level tomorrow. 55 degrees in Lexington. It will cool down as that front goes through. We're going to jump from the mid 70s and then fall to the 60s and then hover there into the weekend. And all indications out there by the middle of the end of next week, we could have a more significant cold snap coming in with that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook showing temperatures very much on the cool side. So could have another frost freeze threat before the month of April is done, which would be a surprise. Now, highs around 70 today. Temperature-wise tonight, we're down to the low 60s, partly cloudy, gusty, isolated showers and thunder showers. And the 8-day forecast shows temperatures in the 60s into the weekend. So a pretty pleasant start to the weekend. We've had trouble with the last few weeks trying to get a decent start to the weekend. I don't know they'll be able to hold on to it, though. Showers trying to creep in late in it.